Introduction to affirmation. Affirmations are powerful statements that can transform your mindset and help you achieve your goals. By consistently reinforcing positive belief, you can unlock your potentials and create a life of success and fulfillment. To 12 affirmations to live by. These affirmations are designed to cultivate a positive self image, strong self belief, and a clear sense of purpose. Always have a positive self image of yourself. Think positively with faith that you can realize your purpose. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess, just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best. Always believe in yourself. Visualize the things you want, see it, feel it, believe in it. Make your visual blueprint and begin. Every day, visualize and see yourself where you want to go. Make sure you always focus on the positive. When you focus on the good gets better. I choose to focus on the positive every day. Have the confidence and courage to be inner directed. Confidence. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential. Take action with the plan. Have a clear plan is essential, but taking immediate action is what turns affirmation into reality. Persistence and confidence, and you will achieve your desired goals. I have control of my mind, my body, my instinct, and my emotions. Don't put out tomorrow for what you can do today. I work my plan and I do it now. I have a plan for my success. I persist in my efforts with unshakable faith in my own ability. I work my plan to achieve the desired goals that I want to see. I define my purpose for living life. Learn more about success strategy at mauricereese.com.